Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, and guys, this is a very important lecture. This is a bridge of valve. Okay, and this body is this part is a bridge of valve, and this part is this. This body is drawing here, and this is a isometric view, and 3D drafting is also available here, and this is a front view, and this is right view, and this is a top view. Okay, all dimension in millimeter, and this lecture is very important for a beginner student, and this project is a very important, and this project is a stop wall project, and all parts is one by one is drawing here, and last is this all body is assembled here easily and clearly. Okay, and let's start here. This body is design. Okay, this body is designed here, and this is a color, this material is a brush, and how to this body is easily and clearly. Okay, and back side is this, and also this thread is apply here, and thread is also very nice looking here. Okay, guys, this body is a perfect drawing, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly today discuss here. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select this part, and some setting is very important, and all dimension in millimeter, grams second. Okay, this is a perfect, and use a plain white. Okay, and going to option is a document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, and okay, at first drawing this body, help of this to the drafting. At first drawing this geometry, and this distance is 19 millimeter is radius, and this distance is 14 millimeter, and this distance is 28 millimeter, and this is a 10 millimeter, and this is a 26 millimeter, and this red color 6 is a revolution 6. This is a pitch, and this is a height and pitch, and height and revolution. This revolution is 6, this turn is 6, and this is a 50 millimeter height. This thread is used here. This 50 millimeter is this both side is a fillet is used here, and this length is a okay. At first drawing a plane is a better is a right plane. Okay, two line is a reference line is drawing here one by one, because this line is very useful and helpful. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this is a relation is a coincident, and this is a horizontal, and this is a coincident and vertical, both is a perfect. Okay, and at first select a line is a this is a drawing this okay, and perfect and correct. Okay, and drawing this select this this geometry is a drawing here, and this curve is a drawing this, and select horizontal line, and this is a connect to this, and this is a very important. This geometry, this drawing simple drawing here, and align a dimension. At first drawing this distance is 19 millimeter is full length, and 14 millimeter is half this length. Okay, this distance is a 14 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a 90 millimeter. This distance is a 28 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a Okay, this is a 26 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect. And okay, and also this distance is a 10 millimeter. Okay, all is a black, all is fully defined, then all is a black color, means this is a fully defined and all is correct. Okay, and this is a perfect. This is a radius, this is a 14 millimeter and 19 millimeter, 28 millimeter and 10 on 26, all is a perfect. Okay, all dimension is perfect. And going to this revolve boss base and select this axis, and okay, all is perfect. Okay, okay, and this is a perfect and correct. Okay, all is a perfect. And again select this face sketch normal, and again select again drawing this body. Then this is a, this height is 120 millimeter, this is a 76 millimeter, and this is very very important. This circle is drawing here 60 millimeter diameter, and this is a 24 millimeter, and this is a cutout is a, this 34 millimeter is a, this use a thread. Okay, okay, and at first drawing a reference line, again select a, okay, both reference line is drawing here. Okay, connect to this reference line is very very important, and draw a circle. Circle is drawing here this two circle is drawing here. First is a diameter is a 60 millimeter, and second is a diameter is 24 millimeter. Okay, and connect a line. A line is a tangent and connect to this, and again select this line and mirror entities and press click a mirror about this, and okay, and again select all, press a control button and all is a select here one by one, and use a mirror entities and going to this mirror about this, click OK. Okay, and align a dimension. Dimension is this point to this point, distance is a 120. Okay, and this point to this point distance is a 76. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this is a perfect and correct. Okay, all is a perfect. All is black color, means this is a fully defined, and all is a, this is a tangent line. Okay, all is correct. And okay, this geometry is a perfect. This is a 120 millimeter and 26 millimeter, and this is a drawing a circle. 60 millimeter is diameter and 24 millimeter diameter, and then use this 34 millimeter is last, or use a thread, and going to this extrude cut and apply a extra portion is delete here. Okay, and select this and this. Okay, and through all extra portion is delete here, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and again select a fillet. use here a 50 millimeter, and both edge is select here. Okay, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And again select this face, sketch, normal, or drawing a circle. Circle is this, and this diameter is a 34 millimeter. Okay, and this is exit, because apply a, okay, this is apply a helix and a spiral, and this is a perfect. And this is a use a height and revolution, and height and pitch. Height and pitch is also perfect. Okay, and this is a very important, and height is 50 millimeter and pitch is a 6 millimeter. Okay, and direction is reverse, and this is a clockwise is perfect, and angle is 0 degree, and all is perfect, because this is a very important. Height and pitch is perfect, and height is 50 millimeter and pitch is 6 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect, and reverse direction is perfect, angle is 0 degree and clockwise, and click OK. Okay, and this is a perfect, and again select a right plane, sketch, normal. Okay, and use a corner rectangle, and draw a corner rectangle is drawing here, and this distance is a 3 millimeter is a length, and 3 millimeter is also height. Both is equal, because this is a 3 millimeter is a length and height. Okay, and this point, press a control, select here and press a control button, and this use this line, select here and use a pierce. Okay, this is a black color, means this is also fully defined, and exit, and use a sweep cut, and sweep cut is also select here, automatic select here this profile, and path is a select here this path. Okay, all is perfect, and all is correct, and click OK. Okay, this is a, okay, this line is a hide, and this thread is also drawing here easily and clearly, and going to this material is apply here, and metal, and brush is a polish brush is perfect. Okay, and also this is a select here, and going to this aluminum, and okay, this is a perfect, but going to this select here, and material is a, okay, select here and going to this appearance, and this is a black color, means this is a perfect. Okay, also very nice looking here, and also this is a perfect. Select body and appearance, going to this color and going to this. Okay, okay, this is a looking perfect, and isometric view. Okay, all is a looking perfect and correct. Okay, and this is a very nice looking here. Okay, okay guys, and all geometry and all line is a use here, and all is perfect and correct. Okay, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Guys, this is a hydraulic pump project and this part is a drawing here. This is a end plate design and this plate is a end plate and this is a dry plate. Okay, this is a dry plate and this is a end plate, and this lecture is a drawing a end plate design and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a 2D drafting is also available here, and also this is a front view and this is a right view and this is a top view, and all three view is you can see here on the screen, and all geometry line and all dimension is clearly learn here, and all dimension in millimeter. Okay, and how to this body is a this is a write letter, and how to all process is learn here, and this lecture is very important for a beginner student. Okay, this body is drawing here, and how to this body is drawing in a Solidworks software, and this use a this is a very nice looking here, and material is apply here also brush. Okay, and this is a very nice looking here. Okay, this is a perfect and correct drawing of this body. Okay, and this is a very nice looking here. Okay, and guys, this body is drawing. Let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select a part, and part is select here, and some settings very important. Plain white, and going to this option, and option is going to document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect and correct. Okay, and at first select a plane. A plane is a front plane is better, is drawing this body. Okay, at first drawing this sketch is drawing here. Okay, this is a very nice looking here. All dimension is a perfect drawing here. Okay, at first select this is a 29.5 this distance, and this is a 42 is this distance, and 16.68, and this two circle is drawing here. This is a 58 millimeter. Okay, and this is a circle is a radius is 50 millimeter. Okay, select a front plane drawing this body. At first this construction line is drawing here. Okay, at first use a center point arc, and at first center point arc, click this origin, draw a curve. Okay, this is a curve is a drawing here. Okay, and to end point is a select here, press a control button, and this is a horizontal. Okay, and define a dimension. This dimension is a 50. Okay, radius is 50. Drag us. Okay, this is a drawing at first drawing a circle, and this circle is a diameter is a 10 point. Okay, this drawing a circle is diameter is 10.2 millimeter. This is a 10.2 millimeter. 10.2 millimeter. Okay. Okay, this okay, and this point 2, this is a drawing a 29 millimeter, 29.5 millimeter. Okay. Okay, and okay, this is a 29.5 millimeter. Again select a mirror, and this circle is select here, this plane. Okay, and distance between this two circle distance is a 58 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is a drag here. Okay. Okay, this okay, and next is a drawing here. Okay, and drawing this okay, select a line. Okay, at first select a 3-point arc, and arc is a drawing here this and draw this and select okay, this and this point, and press a control button and select this point is a, this is a merge. Okay, and this diameter, this define a dimension. Dimension is a 11 millimeter, because this is radius is 11 millimeter is perfect, and 16 millimeter is also used here, but this is a radius is 11 millimeter. And some important points, this line is a drag here, this and this 2 point is a relation is a horizontal. Okay, and this is a very important relation, and a line is select here, draw some line is a drag here or horizontal, and some incline, and this is a, and connect to this. Okay, this is a very important, and this relation is a, this distance between is a 42 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, and this is a 42 millimeter is this use here, and 29.5 millimeter is also, and distance between a two circle center is a 58 millimeter is perfect, and this big circle is a 50 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this also use here, this okay, and okay, and some important point, this this is a, okay, and a fillet is used here. A fillet is a 1.5 millimeter, and use this, and also a 5 millimeter is fillet is used here, this. Okay, okay, and both fillet is very important. Okay, okay, this is very nice looking here, and all. Okay, this fillet is used here, this is a 1.5 millimeter, and this is a 5 millimeter is, this radius is 5 millimeter is this fillet is used here. Okay, all is a perfect and correct, and select a mirror. Mirror is a select this, and also one by one is all is select here. Okay, and select a mirror about this line, and okay, this is a perfect and correct. but this is a line is some extra line. This is a trim, and select this. Okay, and okay, but all point is connect here. And also use a mirror about this. Okay, not again. Mirror about this is a select this. Okay, about this line is horizontal line, and all is a perfect. Okay, all is connect here. All is this is a connect and perfect use here. Okay, 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 all geometry line is looking perfect and correct. And going to this extrude boss base, and this thickness is a this is a 12 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this 12 millimeter is perfect, and click OK. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and this is a perfect drawing here. Okay, and again select this face, sketch, normal. Okay, and again drawing a construction. This is a construction line is a this line is very important. Drawing a sum. Okay, draw a circle. Circle is a this above a origin, and draw a big circle, and this diameter is a 41.7 millimeter is perfect. And this point to this is a 16.68 millimeter. Okay, okay, this a big circle drawing this a big circle is drawing here. This distance between origin point to this center point is a 16.68. This diameter is a 41.7 millimeter. Okay, this is body is a mirror, and select about this about this. Okay, and okay, and connect to a center point. This is a this point to this, and again this point to this. Okay, okay, all portion extra portion is delete here. Power trim is used here. Select this. Okay, and all is okay. This is a perfect and correct. Okay, and use a extrude boss base. This thickness is a 2.5 millimeter. Okay, and this use this thickness is a 2.5 millimeter. This is a 2.5 millimeter is perfect. Okay, okay, and okay, okay, and again select this face, sketch, normal. Okay, okay, this face, sketch, normal. Draw a center line. A center line connect to this midpoint to this midpoint. Okay, okay, circle is a drawing here. This and this is a 10 millimeter diameter. Okay, and line is a connect here, connect to this point. This to this to this. Okay, okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, this is a perfect drawing here. This diameter is a 10 millimeter. Okay, diameter is 10 millimeter, and this thickness, this distance is a 8 millimeter. Okay, this distance is a 8 millimeter, and this point to this distance is a 8 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and some use trim entities, and this is a select a trim closest, and this is a both is a trimmed. Okay, and all point is perfect, and this use a extrude. Okay, okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, and also sketch and use a extrude cut, and extrude cut is a 2.5 is perfect. Okay, and okay, but this is a this face sketch normal, or drawing a center line is this. Okay, this is this again select a mirror is a this cut out is a select here. Okay, this is a construction line. This is use a mirror is select this. Okay, this cutout is a okay, but some delete here. Okay, and this is a, and this use a edit and normal, and draw a center line is this. Okay, and select a mirror is all select here one by one. Okay, and select about this. Okay, and click OK, and OK, this cutout is a perfect and correct. And next is of this face sketch normal, or drawing a circle is this, and one by one is all center point, or draw a circle is big circle is drawing here, and this dimension is a 16 millimeter. Okay, and this is a this use a 16 millimeter is cut out, and this use a 0.5 millimeter is cut out. Thickness is 0.5, and all four select a, press a control button, and all four is a select here, and relation is a equal. Okay, and going to extrude cut, and extrude cut is a 0.5 millimeter. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect and correct. And this use a fillet, and fillet is a select a 1 millimeter, and all one by one is a select here. Okay, and this is a select here, and this and also this, and this face and this face, and also select this, and also select this. Okay, and 1 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all is correct. Okay, all is perfect and correct. and next is this face sketch normal, drawing a sum, write a letter, and center line is a drawing here, a center line is this drawing here, and again center line is a drawing here, this two, this this line is a this okay, big line, okay, and this line select a text and write a letter. Letter is a this AHM 425 40, okay, AHM 4025, and this use a middle, and middle is a perfect, and okay, again select this line and text, write a letter. Letter is a CAD CAE tutorial, okay, this is a perfect and correct, and click OK, and OK, and extrude cut. Extrude cut is a, this is a 2 mm is better, and this thickness is 2 mm, and click OK. Okay, this okay, this some color is used here. This color is a black color, okay, because this you can say here a dark, and last is a drawing this face normal, use a hole wizard, and hole wizard is used here this hole, and drill size, and a standard is ISO, and size is a 4 mm, diameter is 4, this is a diameter is a 4 mm, and this is a blind user, and this thickness is 3 mm, okay, and select a position, and position is a this and this, okay, and some dimension is used here, this point to this is a 45 mm, okay, and again select this point to this is a 45 mm is this, okay, and click OK, okay, and okay, okay, all, and use a color, and color is going to appearance metal, and going to brush, and select OK. This is a perfect and correct, okay, and guys, all point is one by one is discussed here, and all point is learn here easily and clearly, and okay, okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly, and guys, next lecture is coming soon, okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and how to this body design easily and clearly. And guys, this is a hydraulic pump project, and how to this project is ready, and at first drawing one by one is all parts is drawing here. This is a hydraulic body, this is a hydraulic pump body, and all dimension in millimeter, and how to this body is designed, and all process is learned here easily and clearly. Okay, this is a hydraulic pump body, and this body is a design here, and all parts is one by one is designed here, and last is this body is a assemble here, okay, and this is the isometric view, and 2D drafting is also available here, and all geometry all dimension is you can see here on the screen easily learn here, okay, and this body is a drawing here this and this lecture is very important for a beginner student, and also a professional student is very important lecture, and how to this body is designed today discuss here, all process is learn here, and how to this body is designed, okay, all side is looking perfect, and this is a write a letter, and how to this process is also learn here. And this is a this is a thread is you can see here on the screen, and this is a cutting here this body. This body is a very nice looking here. This is a drawing here easily, and all process is learn here one by one. Okay guys, let's start here. This body is design. At first going to some setting is very important. At first going to this part, and part is a drawing here, and some setting is very important. At first this is a plain white, and going to option is document properties, and this is a image quality. Image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect, and all geometry line is looking perfect. At first select a plane is a front plane, because this body is a front plane is drawing easy and comfortable. At first drawing this inner side drafting, and this is a radius is 15.23 millimeter, and this is a two circle is drawing here. First is a 37 and second is 30. This diameter is perfect. At first select a plane, a front plane. This two line is a drawing here because this is very helpful. And two circle is a drawing here. First is a circle is drawing this and this radius is a 37. And this 2 point distance between this 15.2319 millimeter. This is a perfect drawing here. Again select a circle is this. Not better. A circle is a drawing here this and this diameter is a 30 millimeter. This is a 30 millimeter is perfect. And use a mirror is this, and select a mirror about this plane. This is a perfect. And some cut line is a extra, but use a trim entities, and some extra portion is a delete here. This is a extra portion, and also this to this this line is a cut out. And this is a perfect. This body is a drawing here. This is a perfect and correct, and all distance and all geometry, all dimension is perfect. And next is a use here this center. Next point is a drawing here, a drawing this inner side. And next use this upper side a line, and this use a center point arc. This radius is 15 millimeter. Two circle is a drawing here. This is a diameter is a 10.2. And distance between this two circle 58 millimeter, and this is a distance between this line 29.5 millimeter. All is perfect. And this distance is a 42 millimeter, and this radius of curve is a 11 millimeter, and this is a two fillet is used here. This is 5 millimeter, and this is 1.5 millimeter is this. At first select a center point arc and drawing this. And drawing this. Not better. this is a perfect center point arc is a drawing here, drawing this okay. Okay, and this 2 point is select press a control button, and 2 point is this is a horizontal. Okay, and diameter is a 50 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect. And 2 circle is drawing here, select this circle, and again select 2 circle is this. Okay, and select this point to this is equal, and 2 point press a control, select press a control button, and 2 point is a horizontal. Okay, and this diameter is a define, this dimension is 10.2 millimeter is perfect. Okay, 10.2 millimeter is this, and this drawing this 29.5 millimeter is this. Okay, and distance between this point to this is 58 millimeter is this. Okay, and again select this point to distance is 29 millimeter is this. Okay, all is perfect and correct. And drawing this line is a drag here. Okay, this point is a drag here. Okay, okay, this line is a delete here. Define a dimension, dimension is a this 10.2. Okay, 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 all is perfect and correct, and this is a better. Okay, next is use here 3 point arc is select here, and drawing this 3 point arc, drawing this select here. Okay, and this point, and press a control button, select this point is a okay merge point. Okay, and this define a dimension is 11 millimeter. Okay, and okay this and this point is a drag here this and 2 point, and this point is a horizontal. Okay, okay, and next is use here this select this line, drag here this sum. Okay, this is a not use here, and this is a delete here, and this is a sum line is inclined, and okay this is a perfect. Okay, okay, line is a okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this is a some line is okay, and 2 fillet is used here. This fillet is used first is a 5 millimeter. 5 millimeter is select this. Okay, and second is a 1.5 millimeter. Select this. Select this. Okay, okay, and 1.5 is this, and 5 millimeter is this. Okay, and this distance is a this is a 42 millimeter is this. Okay, okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, and all is perfect. Okay, and some line is a mirror, and mirror about this point, this line, and select this. One by one is all line is select here, and this is a, and this to this, and mirror about this and select this. Okay, and okay, but this is a concentric is symmetric, but this relation is a, this is a delete here. Okay, all is perfect. And some this line is extra is use a trim entities and select this line. Okay, and also use a mirror entities and select a this. Okay, and select a mirror entity and select this. Okay, and one by one is select here this, and this too. Okay, all is select here, and this. Okay, all is perfect. All is select here, and mirror about this line to this. Okay, all is connect here and click OK. Okay, this not use some line is extra. Okay, all is perfect, drawing a perfect and correct. Okay, and okay, this is a very nice. And some use a, okay, and this use a thickness is a 5.5. okay, this is a very nice looking here. Okay, and 54 millimeter is perfect and correct. Okay, 54 millimeter is perfect. And this use a thickness. Okay, use a extrude boss, and this is use a very important. This is use a mid plane, and this 54 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and mid plane is a 54 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and okay. Okay, and next is a, this is a cutout is a drawing here. Okay, and select this face, sketch, normal, and draw a circle. This is a line is a drawing here. Okay, this line is a drawing here, and this. Okay, and this circle is a drawing here. Draw this, and this circle is a radius is a 47.7, and center point is a 15.04. Okay, and this define this diameter 47.70. Okay, and this point distance is a 15.04 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this is a mirror is used here. This and about this line, click OK, and connect a line to this point to this, and also this point to this. Okay, and some extra line is also delete here, and this line and this line. Okay, and this to this line is a delete here, and this all is extra is a delete here is perfect. and click OK. This is a 47.70 and 15.40 is perfect drawing here. This is a 47.70 and 15.04 millimeter is perfect drawing here. And this is a offset is a 3 millimeter is reverse direction, and offset is used here. This is a offset and direction is a 3 millimeter. Okay, and direction is reverse. This is a inside is a perfect and correct and okay. And this offset is a use here, and this is a cutout is a only 2 millimeter is not mentioned here, but this is a 2 millimeter is cut out, and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is only a 2 millimeter because this is a use a rubber belt. 2 millimeter is perfect, and click OK. And this use a washer and rubber washer is used here, and this is a very nice looking here. Okay, and also use a front plane because this use a mirror, and select a this and cutout is this, and click OK. This back side is also correct drawing here, and both side is a use a rubber washer, and this is a perfect. Okay, and perfect. Okay, and next is just select this face, a normal, drawing a hole wizard, and hole wizard is used here. This tapered hole, this straight tap is used here, and this ISO and bottoming tapered hole is used here, and size is a okay, and this size is a okay. This is a very nice looking here. Okay, and perfect. Okay, some use a some point is a this okay. Okay, and use a simple hole is perfect drawing here. A simple hole is a okay. This is a standard is ISO and dowel hole, and this is a drill size. Okay, and this is a only diameter is a 4 millimeter. Okay, this is a 4 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this is a 47 point. Okay, perfect drawing here, and all is perfect. Okay, and click a position, and going to this and going to this. Okay, and this dimension is used here. This dimension is a this to this is a 45 millimeter. Okay, and this is a 45 millimeter is perfect, and also use here. Okay, okay, some press a control button and Z is edit here, and 45, and again select this point to this is a okay, and this point to this is a 45 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all is perfect and correct. and click OK. This is a drag. Okay, and next is select a front plane, and this about mirror, and select this hole is a mirror is this, and click OK. Both side is this, and select this face, this face normal. Hole wizard is used here, and the state type is this, and OK, and this is a perfect drawing here. This OK, and some point is OK, and this and this is a very use here. Use this ISO and a state pipe. Okay, this is a state pipe tapered hole. Okay, and hole specification is 1/2. 1/2 is a perfect. 1/2 is perfect, and all is perfect and correct. This is a use a state type, and a standard is ISO, and these are state pipe tapered hole, and hole specification is a G1/2, and blind, and all is perfect and correct. And select a position is this, and OK. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And some use a front plane mirror, and use a this. Okay, select a tapered hole is this. Okay, and this is a select a right plane. Okay, and mirror, and select this, and click OK. Okay, and all is perfect and correct. And this is a not use this is a thread is not showing here, and going to option and document properties and detailing, and this is a click here, shaded cosmetic thread, and then cosmetic thread is a perfect looking here. Okay, this is a cosmetic thread is a looking here is perfect and correct, is both side is a perfect. Okay, and all point is a perfect and correct drawing here. Okay, and some point is a this is a write a letter. Okay, some point is a discuss here. This is a very nice. This point is very important. And at first select a top plane, and use a plane, and this is 60 millimeter is perfect, and click OK. And this plane sketch normal, and select a center line is a drawing this, two line is a set to center line is a drawing here. First is a this, and second is a also this to this, and this line use a some write a let this some write a letter made made in Germany. Okay, and some use a middle. Okay, and okay, again select this and write a letter. This use a CAD CAE tutorial. Okay, and this use a middle. Okay, and okay. Okay, both is write a letter and going to extrude cut, and extrude cut is a use a, this is a offset from surface. Okay, and this is a select here this surface. Okay, and this is a use a 2 millimeter. Okay, this is a 0.4 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all, and direction is reverse, offset is perfect, all is correct and perfect. And this letter is a, this plane is hide because all looking perfect and correct. And the material is apply here and going to this appearance and select a metal. Metal is a this nickel and going to this. Okay, and all is perfect drawing here easily and clearly, and all is a drawing perfect and correct. Okay, okay, okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. Okay guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today discuss here housing design of this is a roots blower project. And guys, this project is a roots blower project, and how to all parts is assemble here. And at first all parts is drawing here easily and clearly, and how to all parts is one by one is drawing here, and last is all parts is assemble here. But this is a project, this part is a housing design, and this is a body of a roots blower project, and this is a perfect design here, and all dimension is you can see here on the screen. And this is a front view, and this is a right view, and this is a top view, and all dimension and all geometry is looking here, you can see here on the screen, and all dimension in millimeter. Okay, and one by one all geometry is one by one is used here, and this body is a design here. Okay, this body is design, and how to this body is design easily and clearly, and all is looking perfect and correct, and this body is looking all okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, this is a very nice looking here. Okay, and all is perfect and correct, and this is correct. Okay, guys, all parts is one by one is drawing here, and this body is drawing easily and clearly, and this is this design is also draw here. Okay, and this loops is loops is a design here, and this loops is this okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select this part, and part is this is and some setting is very important, and this is a plain white, and going to this option and document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect and correct. Okay. Okay, at first select a plane is front plane, because all this front view is all geometry, a large number of geometry is looking here. At first select this two center point. This two center point is a slot is created here, and this distance between 2 point is 89.69 millimeter. Okay, and this radius, diameter is a 20 millimeter. This both is created here, and this is a perfect, and this is a full is a slot is this is a radius is 96. Okay, select a front plane. Slot is created here. This state slot first point, and this is a second point, and this slot is created here. Okay, and this distance is this distance is 89.69 millimeter, and this is a 96 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect and correct. And going to, this is a fully defined because all is color is black color, and going to extrude. Extrude is this thickness is a 10 millimeter, because this thickness is a 10 millimeter is this. Okay, okay, and again select this front plane and sketch normal. Okay, and this use this and select this select two circle is drawing here. First circle is this, and second circle is this. Okay, and both is equal. Select both and press a control button and select this equal, and equal is this and this smart dimension is used here, and this is a 20 millimeter is this. Okay, and again, okay, and again draw this two circle drawing here. First circle is this is a 139.5. this is a circle is this, and again select this is a 139.5. okay, a big circle is drawing here 111 millimeter is this. Okay, two circle is drawing here. This big circle is drawing here, and select both circle and press a control button and select equal, and going to this is a 139.5 millimeter, and some extra portion is delete here, trim here. This is a trimmed. Okay, and going to extrude and select this selected contours and select this. Okay, and select this and okay, okay, and this is a perfect, and again select this use here this perfect drawing here, this body. Okay, and select this okay, and select this and right click and going to this loop and select this and going to convert entities. Okay, okay, this is a perfect, and going to this extrude boss. Okay, and select here this thickness is a total is 150 millimeter, because this total thickness is a 150 millimeter, because this upper length to lower length total distance is a 150 millimeter. Okay, okay, all is perfect and correct, all is okay, and again select this and extrude cut. Extrude cut is direction is reverse, and going to this through all and going to this. Okay, and select this and select here this is this, and going to this. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and select this face, sketch, normal, drawing this okay, this part is drawing here, and at first select again state slot is created here, because this is a this and going to this, use a 111 millimeter is this, and again select this going to this and right click, and this use a loop, this loop, and going to this and convert entity is this. Okay, and drawing this, and center line is created here, this point to this point to this is a, and again select this point to this, connect to this point to this. Okay, and okay, this point to delete here and connect to this point to this. Okay, because this line is created here, this line is this, and this is a line, and this line is horizontal. Okay, and select this line and use a mirror entities and select this, and this is this, and okay, and select both line and select a mirror entities, and select this, and this is this, and okay, and this portion is trim here, this portion, and this is a trim here is this. Okay, extra portion is trim here. Okay, and this is this, and this line distance is this is a 50, and again this is a 50. Okay, again select this is line is this a 50, and again this line is a select there this line to 50. Okay, and all is perfect and correct, and this some extra portion is delete here, and extra portion is this, and this is a delete here, and this is okay, and this is a delete here, and connect to a line, connect to this part is this, okay, to this, and this portion is delete here. Okay, and this portion is a trim, this portion is delete here, and this portion is delete here. Okay, and all point is this correct, and okay, and going to extrude boss, select this first, second, and third, and going to reverse, and this is a through all, and okay, and this is a perfect drawing here. Okay, and going to this, and this is a through all, and going to this. Okay, and next part is this is a drawing here this, and select this upper part, and upper part is a drawing here this, this portion is create here, and this portion is this, and this is a hole is this created here this 15 and 8 number of 8, and this select this and created here this is a 10 and number of person is 15. Okay, and created here easily, and this distance is very important, 13.13, and this hole is a diameter is 10. Okay, and this face sketch normal, and select this and okay, and drawing this part, and this is a okay, and delete here, and some face is this okay, and this use this portion, and so okay, this showing here this and center line is created here, and going to this to this, connect to this to this, and again select this circle is this to this is a drawing here, and diameter is this point to this, and okay, and select this line is this line, and going to convert entities. Okay, and this point to this distance is this okay, and this point to this point, and this point is a distance 13.13. 13.13 is perfect. Okay, and this is a 10. Okay, and this is a fully defined and perfect and correct. Okay, okay, all is fully defined, and going to this is use this, and going to extrude cut is select here, and this is use a 13, this use a 30 millimeter is this, and okay, and this use a perfect drawing here, and this cut here this is a 40 millimeter is this, and okay, and this is a height. Okay, but this point is created here this hole, and again select again select this select here this part, and mirror entities. Okay, and select here this and sketch is select here. Okay, this is select here. Okay, mirror entities, and select this, and select here this okay, and this use a mirror face. Okay, this use this and select here. Okay, and going to okay, this is a mirror. Okay, this use a pattern. Okay, some mistake point is this use a pattern, and going to this curve driven pattern is perfect. Okay, okay, this is a use this select here this sketch, and this number of 15 and equal spacing, and this is a select here this is a this. Okay, and this is a very important point is discussed here, and going to this transform curve, and this is a upward preview is showing here, but this is not perfect, and this offset curve is perfect. Okay, all is perfect, and going to this, and this use 15 and equal spacing, and this is a offset curve and aligned to seed. All is perfect and okay. Okay, this is a very nice looking here. And select this face, sketch, normal, and drawing a this connect to this point to this, because this line is very important. And select this part is created here, and this is number of 8 is a circle is created here. Create here 8 circle, and this small circle is diameter is 80 millimeter, and this bigger circle is 128 millimeter, and this is a bigger circle is 160 millimeter is this, and this thickness is a 30 millimeter. This height is 30 millimeter, and this thickness is upper side is 10 millimeter is this. And this is a draw a circle, a midpoint is select here and draw a 2 circle this. And first is a 80 millimeter, and second is this is a 128 millimeter is this. Okay, both is a perfect diameter is this. And going to extrude boss. Extrude boss is this, and this is a very important. And going to height is 30 millimeter, and direction is second is also, and going to up to next. Okay, and okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, and very nice looking here. And also select this sketch, extrude cut. Extrude cut is select here this. Okay, this is a, and select here and going to up to next. Okay, and okay. Okay, this is very nice looking here. This face, sketch, normal, draw a circle. Circle is this, a big circle, and this is a 160 is perfect. And this a small circle is also convert entities is better. And going to extrude cut. Extrude boss is apply here. This thickness is a 10 millimeter, and this is a upper side, and blind is perfect. Okay. Okay. And select this face, sketch, normal, and this is a hole is cut out, and this is a cutout is this, and distance between center to this point is a 52 millimeter, and this is a 15 millimeter is diameter. Okay, and draw a circle. Circle is drawing here. Okay, this circle is drawing here this, and this use a 15 millimeter. Okay, and this point and this point is a 52 this, and select this point, select this center point, not okay, and select a center line is this to this is a connect to this, and this is a horizontal. Okay, and automatic is this all is black color, means this is fully defined and perfect and correct. And going to extrude cut. Extrude cut is apply here, and this extrude cut is this is a 40 millimeter. Okay, and this user this, and also select a pattern is a use here this circular pattern, and going to this any this, and going to a feature is this, and pattern is a 8. This use a 360 degree and 8 pattern, equal spacing, and all is perfect and correct and okay. Okay, this is better looking here. And also this is created here this and going to this whole, this is this part is created here, and this distance is 37.5 and diameter is 10. Okay, and distance between a center point to this is 200 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect. And okay, and this is a thickness is 10 millimeter, and this small circle is 60 diameter, and big circle is 90 diameter, and this is 120 diameter. Okay, and select this plane is created here, and select this, and select this. A middle point is created here, this, and select this plane, and select again select a plane, and plane distance is 200 millimeter is this. This distance is 200 millimeter, and plane is created here. Okay, this plane sketch, this plane, okay, sketch normal, this plane, and a sketch. Okay, and this plane select a okay, this plane sketch. Okay, this is this plane is created here. This plane a sketch normal. Okay, and some plane is a drag here because this is a perfect. Okay, and draw a center line is connect to this point to this. Okay, and this is this point to this, and this is a first, second, and third. Okay, and this use this is a 60, and this is a 60, 90, and 120. Diameter is 3 circle is created here, 90 and 120, and 3 circle is 120. Okay, this 3 circle is drawing here one by one. Okay, okay, and going to this extrude boss. At first select this. Okay, this is select here this part, and going to this up to next. Okay, direction is this, and direction is this is and up to next is this. Okay, and select here this, and again select here this extrude boss, and this is thickness is 10, and this use direction is this. Okay, inner side is this 10 millimeter is thickness, and going to this, and the next part is cut out is this, and again select this, and select extrude cut. Extrude cut is this portion is cut out, and select up to next. Okay, this is a cutout, and going to this. Okay, and plane is hide. Okay, again select this face sketch normal, and draw a circle. Circle is this circle is draw here, and this circle is diameter is a 10 millimeter. Okay, and this point to this thickness is a 37.5 millimeter. Okay, and this point and this point is a this is a horizontal. Okay, this is a perfect, and this use a 37.5, and this is a 10 diameter, and this is a all is created here, 8 circle is created here, and going to this extrude cut. This is a thickness, this is a height is a 30 millimeter, is extrude cut is this, and okay, and this extrude cut is this, and going to pattern is a circular pattern, and this is a this select here, and this is a this face, and number of 8 pattern, and this face is selected, and 360 degree, and pattern is 8, and equal spacing, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect, and this use a mirror, and mirror is perfect. Drawing here, select a mirror, and going to this mirror face is this, and okay, and going to this plane is created here, and this body is selected here. This is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and okay, this body is mirror here. Okay, and this is a this plane is hide. Okay, and next part is lobe is created here. This lobe is created here, and all part is one by one is created here, but this part is a lobe is a create here, this okay, and select here this, okay, and select here this this slot is created here. Okay, and going to this face sketch normal, and going to this right click, and this lobe, and select this okay, this all part is created here but not use, and draw a slot. This slot is created here, this okay, this is this, but this part, this line and this line is selected here, and going to this is a coradial. Okay, this is a very very important relation, and again select this offset. Offset is only 8 millimeter is this, and select this add dimension, and going to this offset. Offset is this 8 millimeter, and okay, okay, and select a very very important, and select this all edge is select here, and this use a convert entities, and press a control button and select all 6 edge, and use a convert entities. Okay, and this use a perfect, and some extrude boss piece apply here, and select this. Okay, not this is this first and second, and this is a third, and direction is reverse direction, and this is a 10 millimeter is this, and okay, all is perfect, and okay. But use a pattern is use here, select here a linear pattern, and this is use a edge is select here, and this and this cutout is this, this is a select here this, but this distance is 20 millimeter. Okay, this distance is 10 millimeter, and this loop is a 10 millimeter is okay. This is a spacing and instance, and this distance is 20 millimeter, and this is a 8, and okay. This loop is created here easily and clearly, and back side is a perfect loop is created here. You can see here on the screen, and isometric view is this, okay. And going to this paint and appearance, and this is painted, and this is this, okay. And all is one by one is created here, and guys, all point is one by one is all point is learn here, and one by one is created here. And this body is this housing body, and this body is a roots blower project body is designed here easily and clearly. And guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is design. And this is a beautiful this product is very nice looking here, and this product is a exhaust manifold with threads. This is a exhaust manifold design, and with threads is also available here. And okay, this is a 2D drafting is also available here, and 2D drafting is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is right view, and all detail is mentioned here one by one, and all dimension in millimeter. And pipe fillet, this is a fillet is 68 millimeter and 98 millimeter, and threads details is also available here. This length is 92 millimeter, pitch is 6 millimeter, and size is M72, and offset is 6 millimeter. Okay, today discuss here all point is discuss here one by one, and this is all detail is mentioned here. And this is the final product is this is a very nice looking here, okay. And this product is okay, this is looking very nice. And how to this body is designed easily and clearly, okay. This is so nice looking here, and all is perfect and correct, all is this is okay. This is whole is also size is correct, and all is perfect and correct, okay. And this body is designed to discuss here one by one, all point is learn here, okay. Let's start here this body is design. Okay, at first select a part, and some setting is discussed here. This is a plain white is correct, and this is a going to document property, and going to image quality. Image quality is very high because this all geometry is looking perfect and correct, okay. At first drawing this body, and this body is this pattern is used here. This pattern is length is this two center point distance between 120 millimeter, and this is a 4 pattern, and one is drawing here. This is a this center to center distance is 136 millimeter, and this angle is very very nice and very useful. And this a small circle is diameter is 17 millimeter, and big circle is radius is 16 millimeter, and this cutout is all cutout is 72 millimeter, and this big circle is radius 52 millimeter. Okay, at first select a plane is front plane, and okay, this is a okay, and this is a use a front plane, and some reference line is drawing here, and reference line is drawing this. Okay, and again this center line is drawing here this, and two line is very important, and select this line and this center point and use a coincident. Okay, again select this line and use a center point and use this is a midpoint, and this is a very nice. Okay, and again a smart dimension is used here, and this angle is a 38 degree is very important. Okay, this is a perfect, and drawing a two circle, big circle is this, and two circle is small circle, and this drawing to this, and this circle is this. Okay, and select press a control button and select both and use a relation is equal. Okay, select this and use a line and connect to this, and again select a line and use this to this. Okay, and again select a line and this to this, connect here, and all connection is a all is a tangent is very important, because this is a not tangent here, and then use a this use a tangent, but select this point to this point is use tangent, and again select this both is select tangent, and also this use a tangent. Okay, this already is tangent here, and all is perfect. Okay, and mention dimension, this is a okay, and this center, this distance between center to center is 136 millimeter, and this radius is 52, means diameter is a 104 millimeter, and this big circle is a 16, means diameter is a 32 millimeter. Okay, 104 millimeter, and this is a use a this is use a this delete here, and also this is use a 32 millimeter. Okay, and this distance between two center is use 136 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all is a fully defined, because this is a perfect. And some trim command is used here, and some extra portion is trimmed, because this unwanted. Okay, this is not used here, and this also trimmed, and this also trimmed. This is a correct. And use extrude boss, and this thickness is a this thickness is 10 millimeter, and this thickness is 16 millimeter. Okay, this use a blind and use a thickness is 10 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this face use here, and use a normal, and use a big circle drawing here, and both side is a use this to this, use here this, and both select this to this and use a equal, and this diameter is a 72 millimeter, and this diameter is a this diameter is 17 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is very important, and use a cutout. Okay, this is a perfect. But all is this is a use a one body is clear design, but use a pattern, and this is use a 4 pattern is 4 and this body is 4. Okay, and select this face, sketch normal, and use a reference line. And reference line is very important because this use a pattern, and this line is a horizontal. Okay, this is a perfect. And exit and use a linear pattern because this line is a horizontal, and use a this, and this distance is a 120 millimeter. Okay, because this to center distance is a between two center distance between 120 millimeter is perfect. And this use pattern is used here a 4 pattern, and this distance is 120 millimeter, pattern is 4, and use a bodies, and click this body, and direction is a reverse direction, and use a this, and click OK. Okay, and this line is a hide, and isometric view. Okay, this is a perfect. And next is use here, and next is a this, and this circle is drawing here, and this circle is a pattern also use here, and this circle is big diameter is a 130 millimeter, and this center to distance is a 160 millimeter is drawing here. Okay, and one point is very important. This point is a 178 millimeter. This is a direction is upward. Okay, this is a downward direction. Okay, this is a perfect. And use a top plane, and a line is plane is created here, and this distance is 178 millimeter, and direction is flip side downward, and click OK. Okay, and this is a, and also this plane sketch normal, and at first drawing a line, a center line is drawing here, and this connect to this point to this. Okay, and again select a center line, and select a midpoint, and use a this to this. Okay, and this plane is hide because all is looking perfect, and this circle is drawing here a this point. Okay, and this circle is drawing here, and this circle is diameter is 130 millimeter. Okay, this is delete here, and use a this is a 130 millimeter, and this distance is a this to this point, a distance is a 160 millimeter. Okay, and this is a very nice 160 millimeter is perfect. 160 millimeter and 130 millimeter, and this thickness is a okay, this thickness is a 17 millimeter is perfect. Okay, 17 millimeter. Okay, and both is a black color, means this is a fully defined, and use a extrude boss, and this thickness is a blind, and use a 16 millimeter is perfect, and click OK. Okay, and also this sketch normal, and drawing a circle is this, and this circle is cut out, and use a 72 millimeter is cut out is perfect, and use a extrude cut. Use a through all, and click OK, and again select this sketch normal, and drawing a center line, and this center line is very important because some use a pattern, and again select a click, draw a circle, and circle diameter is a 14 millimeter, and this distance to this is a use a 50 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and also this is a perfect because this is a pattern use a 14 millimeter and this 52 millimeter is correct. Okay, this use of 52 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and use extrude cut. Extrude cut is a through all, and click OK. And use a pattern. Pattern is select a circular pattern and select this. Okay, click here, and this is a this edge, and also select this and use this pattern and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this is a correct. And next use a 3 line is drawing here, a 3D line is drawing here, and this pipe is connected to this. Okay, all is perfect drawing here. Okay, and this is a perfect sketch, and 3D sketch is drawing here, and select click a line. Line is a this is a okay, this is a correct. Okay, and this is a drawing here this also click here and select this center to drawing here, not a middle. Okay, this is a perfect, and click press a tab and use this vertical line is perfect. Vertical line is correct, and also click a line and connect to this line to this, and this use a very nice looking here. Okay, and some geometry is draw. Okay, this is length is 114 millimeter, 114 millimeter, and this length is 54 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this length is a 114 millimeter, and this length is use a 54 millimeter is correct. But this line is a not center and connect to this. Okay, this is a perfect, and use a and some use a fillet. Fillet is this use a pipe fillet is 68 millimeter and 98 millimeter, and use a fillet. Fillet is a 98 millimeter, and use this, and also 68 millimeter, and use this, and both fillet is used here and perfect. Okay, and exit. This path is drawing here, and again select this face sketch, and this profile is also this. Select this edge and use a convert entities and click OK. Both is profile and path is drawing here easily. Okay, use a swift boss, and profile is automatic. Select here and click a path. Okay, this is a perfect pipe is this preview is showing here, and click OK. This is a perfect, and okay, and again select a sketch, 3D sketch, and drawing a line, and line is this, and select this circle, and this circle is okay, this circle is this center point, and use a tab, and this is use this perpendicular line. Okay, this is not mentioned here, and this line is delete here. This line is a vertical line, and select this, and this line is a vertical line. Okay, this line is this line is a vertical line. Okay, and again select this. Okay, this is perfect, and use okay, this vertical line is this. Okay, and connect to this line to this. Okay, and perfect. Okay, this is okay, perfect. And use this. Okay, this is use this length is 114 millimeter. Okay, and this length is a 54 millimeter is perfect. And okay, and this point is this drag here and connect to this center, and this center is perfect. Okay, and this is a drag here, and this is a okay, this is a perfect. And also use a fillet is 68 millimeter is this, and 98 millimeter is this. Okay, and okay, this path is drawing here easily. And also exit and click this face sketch, and this use a convert entities, and this profile is also drawing here, and click OK. And use a swept boss, and this profile is drawing here, and path is also drawing here, and select this path. Okay, path and this profile is both is click here and click OK. And this body is drawing here, and then next two is this body is copy here easily. Okay, and also 3D sketch is drawing here. Okay, and select a okay, this is a this circle is okay, drawing a center line, and center line is this circle is a okay, this is a correct, and this is a vertical line. Okay, and use also horizontal line and correct. Okay, okay, not better, but this line is delete here. This line is a use again, select a center line and connect, and this to this, and not use here, and press a tab, and tab button is a okay, this use a okay, okay, this line is a use a curve, but curve is not mentioned here. Use a line is a okay, okay, this use a tab. Okay, this is a perfect line. Okay, this line is a correct, but select a exit, and use a this plane is created here, and this plane is use this line, and click this line and click OK. This plane is create here easily, and use a mirror is this, and automatic this plane is select here, and use this line, and swept boss base is to first is, and again select is this, both is select here, and this preview is showing here. Click OK. Okay, this is a perfect, and this body is a correct, and both is hide because this body is looking perfect. Okay, and cell command is use here, and cell is one thickness is 1 millimeter, and select this, and all is 1 by 1 is select here, and this to this, and click OK. Okay, all is this is a hollow, and okay, all is looking perfect. And okay, and next is use here okay, this is perfect, and this use this length is 96 millimeter is, and this diameter is 80, and select this face sketch normal, and drawing a circle is this. Okay, center point is select here, and this circle is drawing here, and align a dimension. This dimension is a 80 millimeter. Okay, and use a extrude boss, extrude boss is thickness is a 96 millimeter. Okay, and use a thin feature, and thin feature is a direction is a okay reverse. This is a inward direction, and this is a looking perfect, and click OK. Okay, and this use a 96 millimeter. Okay, and use a fillet is this, use a 1 millimeter is perfect, and use a this 1 millimeter and click OK, and again select a okay, but this not mention here of this fillet is delete here because okay, this is delete here, and select here a fillet is used here 1 millimeter, and select this face and also this, and click OK. Okay, this is a looking perfect. And next is use a thread is used here. This is a 92 millimeter, and this offset is 6 millimeter, and okay, this use a pitch is 6 millimeter and size is M72 millimeter. Okay, and use a thread is this, use a select this. Okay, offset is used here 6 millimeter, direction is outward. This is a perfect, and this 92 millimeter, and use a metric to die, and this M72 multiply 6 means size is M72 size, and this 6 millimeter is pitch, and also this cut thread is also perfect, and right handed cut thread is perfect. All is looking perfect, and click OK. Okay. This active process is some little late. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and this thread is used here, and some black color is mentioned here because this is a perfect. Okay, and material is apply here, and material is this, use a nickel, and nickel is a this, and okay, this is a very nice looking here. Okay, okay, this is a perfect, and some, and okay, this is a some, use a chamfer is 2 millimeter and 45 degree angle, and this is a fillet is 1 millimeter, and one by one, and use a chamfer is a, this is a 2 millimeter and 45 degree angle. This use a this, and click OK, and again select this chamfer is used here, and select this, click OK, and okay, this is a perfect, and again select a chamfer is this, and this is a multi is not used here, one by one is perfect, and select this is a perfect. Okay, all is perfect, and also fillet is used here, and this fillet is a 1 millimeter, and this select this, and select this both side, and click OK. Okay, and also fillet is used here, and click this face, and click this. Okay, okay, and again select a fillet this face, and use this face, and click OK, and last this, click this face, and this face is also this is a correct. Okay, all is perfect, and correct, and isometric is also better, and this is a okay, this is a perfect, and this front view is also better. Okay, okay, and use this. Okay guys, all point is learn here easily and clearly. Okay, okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this bodies design easily and clearly. And guys, this is a very important, this bodies design easily and clearly. And this product is a grease nipple 45-degree angle is inclined, and this is a inclined of 45-degree angle, and this project is a grease nipple design. And how to this body is design easily and clearly, and all dimension is mentioned here clearly, you can see here on the screen, and this is a thread value is also available here. Okay, let's start here. This body is design easily and clearly. Okay, this is the final product is designed here, and how to this body is design easily and clearly, and all thread is mentioned here, and all is a perfect and correct, and this is a ball is also drawing here. Okay, and this body is a design here easily and clearly. Let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first some setting is very important, and setting is this is a plain white, and going to this option and document properties, and image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay, and at first drawing this curve and this geometry, and this geometry is this is a perfect, and this curve, okay, this curve is 6, radius is 6 millimeter, and this curve is 2.2 millimeter, this length is 5 millimeter, and this length is distance is 5 millimeter, and this whole distance is okay, this is a perfect, and okay, this is 8 millimeter, and this full length is 10 millimeter, and half is 5 millimeter is this. Okay, and this distance is 6.5 millimeter. Okay, drawing some geometry and mention all dimension one by one. Okay, at first select a front plane, line is drawing this to this, and drawing a curve is this, and again drawing a curve this, and select a straight line, and this is a line, and drawing a straight, and this is a perfect, and connect to this. Okay, and this center point, and press a control button, and this origin point is a coincident. Okay, and align all dimension is this is a 6 millimeter. Okay, and this is a 2.2 millimeter. Okay, and okay, and a relation is this is a tangent, and okay, and next is this length is a distance is 5 millimeter, and this distance to this distance is a 16 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this is a distance is 16 millimeter, and this is a 5 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is also 5 millimeter, and this distance is a this to this is 8 millimeter. Okay, and this center point to this distance is a 6.5 millimeter. 6.5 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all dimension is fully defined, and all dimension is correct, and all is fully defined, and click OK. And because this is a perfect, and this distance is a 16 millimeter, and this length is 5 millimeter is equal to this, and this distance is 5 millimeter, and full is 10 millimeter, and half is 5 millimeter, and this distance is 8 millimeter, and this is a distance is a 6.5 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, and going to this revolve base and going to this and click OK. Okay, all is perfect. And this is a fillet is used here, and 0.5 is a this to click OK. And use a chamfer is a 1 millimeter 45 degree angle, and this is a this, click OK. And next is a select this face, sketch normal, and drawing a circle is a 3 millimeter diameter, and 3 millimeter diameter, and this, okay, this is a cutting here. This distance is a 3 millimeter diameter, and height is a 26.2 millimeter, and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a 26 millimeter, 26.2, okay, and this is a okay. Okay, all is perfect. And this is a use again, select this face, sketch normal, and draw a hexagon. Hexagon is very important, and this is a use a vertical line. Okay, and again select a circle. A circle is a big circle. Okay, and this distance is a, okay, this is a distance is a 14.2 millimeter, and this is a circle is 20 millimeter. This circle is a 20 millimeter, and this distance is a 14.2 millimeter is perfect. And going to extrude cut. Extrude cut is a only 5 millimeter, so this is sufficient for this, and okay, this is a perfect, and all is correct. Okay, and next is very important, and going to this 45 degree angle, and drawing a this design, and this design is a 45 degree angle, and this is a perfect. And again select a front plane, sketch normal, or drawing a center line. Center line is a this to this to this. Okay, and this is a perfect. And dimension is a this to this is a 45 degree angle. Okay, and exit. Okay, and again select a top plane, and this is a plane. Okay, and select a this. Okay, and use a this is a top plane, and use a angle is 45 degree angle, and going to this project. Okay, and along sketch normal and flip offset, and this is a flip offset. This is a perfect and correct. Okay, and use this is a perfect. Okay, and use all is perfect and click OK. And next is again select this plane and use this, again select a plane, and this distance is 3.6 millimeter, and okay, this is a 3.6 millimeter is extrude cut. Okay, again select a 3.6 millimeter and click OK, and this plane is hide. Okay, and select this sketch normal. Okay, this is a perfect, and select a normal. Okay, okay, this is a perfect, and select a circle. Circle is this, and this circle is drawing a diameter is 10. Okay, and this is a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a only direction is reverse, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is a hide, and again select this is a hide. Okay, and again select a front plane sketch normal. Okay, and right plane is better. Right plane sketch normal. Okay, okay, and again select a center line. Center line is this to this. Okay, this is a perfect, and select this line to this. Okay, okay, this is a perfect line. Select this is use a 45-degree angle. Okay, again select this is a okay, and select a 45-degree angle. Okay, and this line is this, and again select this. Okay, this is a perfect line. Okay, all is mentioned here. This select a line connect this to this line and draw this. Okay, and select this line. Okay, this is a perfect, drag a circle. Circle is this to this. Okay, and this line to press a control button, and this line is a collinear. Okay, okay, and all dimension is mentioned here. Okay, and this dimension is a 11. Okay, and this dimension is a radius is 4. Okay, and this line and this line select a parallel. Okay, and again select a, this is a, okay, this is a 3, and select this line to, this is a 4 millimeter. Okay, and again select a, this line is a 3 millimeter, and again select this line to this 3 millimeter. Okay, and this circle is a, okay, and this circle is a radius is 2 millimeter. Okay, and this center point and this distance is a 5 millimeter. Okay, and next is this is a 5 millimeter. Again this length is a 5 millimeter. Okay, and all is a fully defined, and this is a perfect. All is fully defined and correct, and this is a, this length is a, okay, this is a 4 millimeter is distance, and this is a 5 millimeter is distance is this, and this is a distance is 11 millimeter, and this curve radius is 2 radius is 2 millimeter, and okay, all is perfect, and this distance is 5 millimeter. Okay, 5 millimeter, this is 11 millimeter, radius is 2 millimeter, and this 5 millimeter and 4 millimeter is perfect. All is correct. And again select a revolve base, select this face, sketch normal. Okay, and again select this face, sketch normal, and drawing a hexagon. Hexagon is this to this, and again select a circle, and this is a vertical line, and again select a circle. Circle is a some big circle, and this is use a 9 millimeter is perfect, and this use a 11 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and 12 millimeter is better. Okay, 11 is perfect, and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is some use a this, and click OK. Okay, this is a better and perfect, and this face, sketch normal, and select a circle. Circle is this, and this is a, this hole is 3 millimeter is dia, and use a cut is okay. This diameter is a 3 millimeter, and extrude cut. Extrude cut is a up to surface. Okay, up to surface means this is a perfect. Okay, this is up to surface. Okay, this is up to surface, this is a perfect, and click OK. And some use a, this is a cutout is and use this is a right plane, and okay, this is a cutout is nice looking here, and okay, and next is use this a ball is okay, and use a right plane, sketch normal, and some use a center line to this to this. Okay, a circle is a drawing here. This is a diameter is 3 millimeter, and this distance is a 12 millimeter. Okay, and this is a line is a this line is this, and some extra portion is cutted here. Okay, and guys, this is a very important. This is very important, and use a 3 cutout 3 dia, and this circle is a radius is 3 millimeter, diameter is 3 millimeter, radius is 1.5 millimeter, and distance is a 12 millimeter, and revolve boss base, use this and click OK. Okay, and click OK, and this face sketch and use a chromium and click OK, and again select this brush, click OK, and this plane is hide. Okay, this is perfect, and okay, and fillet is a chamfer is apply here a point 2 millimeter, and this to this chamfer and click OK. This is a perfect, and next is use a thread, and all point is correct. All point is discuss here one by one, and thread is apply, length is 10 and pitch is 1, size is M7, and apply a thread. Thread is select this, and offset is 2 millimeter, and direction is reverse, and this distance is 10 millimeter, and metric die is perfect, and M size M7, and multiply pitch is 1, all is perfect. Okay, this is correct. Okay, all point is discussed here one by one, and all is mention here is correct, and this is use a 45 degree is angle, and this is a perfect body is drawing here. Okay, and all is perfect and correct. Guys, all point is discussed here one by one. Guys, I hope you will learn all point is discussed here easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box, write a comment, and guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.